paper Balisongs. So here's the first one. The skin is called Cypher. Oops. Let's pick that up. So here's Cypher. The skin's called Cypher. Oops. Sorry. Oh, it's broken. I'll fix that later. But I'm gonna. This is the original skin. So that's the original. And this skin is a country. It's called the Philippines, but the skin is called the Tagalog. So it's the Philippine flag, and the skin is called Tagalog. I really like this. I always play with this. I'll do a tutorial someday, and yeah. I like doing cool flips. Yeah. Peace.